Happy, what is this? Saturday, everyone. How did I not know it was Saturday? Gabe here. I wanted to jump on today and show you guys a little bit on how to create a website for your real estate investing business that actually converts, that actually gets you guys leads. So might as well just jump in. Before I do this, I kind of want to, we've done a lot of testing with our own marketing, and I'm the one that does all the digital marketing for our team. And so I've done a lot of testing. I figured out kind of what works and what doesn't. And so I'm going to take you down two paths when it comes to your website, and show you the one that I kind of chose to go forward with based on the numbers that I've seen. And actually, before I do that, let me just show you some of the numbers. So this is our pipeline. I'm going to just show you down here. This is the last few months. These are our leads and our marketing channels. Whenever a lead comes in, I note what channel that came in. There are dogs outside barking. Let me stop them 1 second. Presto, done. What was I saying? Yeah, so whenever leads come in, I jot where that actually came from. There's actually more efficient ways to do this, but a lot of the marketing channels that we use are not digital. They're non-digital. So yes, let me take you through this. The marketing channel, these are the different channels that we use. We have online ads, ringless voicemail, in-person networking, and then texting, mass texting. I personally don't really like texting or ringless voicemail. For one, I think they're a little bit intrusive and it kind of rubs me the wrong way to use them. And so I'm trying to steer away from that. Ringless voicemail, not so much, but texting is definitely a little bit intrusive. I don't like it when I get text, so we're trying to steer away from that. However, we do get a lot of leads that way. Caveat is those leads don't convert usually. They're not high quality leads. They're just tire kickers. They're like, hey, give me an offer for my house. They want $1 million and it's worth $500,000. So let me go into the two different online types we use. When we do online marketing, we do Google ads, Google My Business, and Facebook ads. Those are the three things that I'm usually talking about. And then we funnel them to two different sites that I made. And I do this for both our mobile home acquisition side as well as our single family. So here we got the two different sites I'm going to show you in a sec. One of them is Kartra, built on the Kartra platform, and one of them is a pretty much standard Carrot site. I'm sure if you're in investing, you've heard of Carrot. It's a pretty big name out there. I did use Carrot for a long time, but I ran A/B tests, and I've come to figure out Carrot is not the best solution out there. I personally like Kartra. So you can see here, this is since, I think this says February. 17 leads came in through Carrot, and I was running an A/B test. 44 came through Kartra. So let me show you the actual page here. Okay, so this is our Carrot site, and this is our Kartra site. So as I said, in the end, Kartra won the test, and there are a few reasons why. Carrot is a good site, so if you guys are looking for just something just to get up and running, Carrot is the way to go. I would definitely recommend them if you don't have a huge like development experience or web experience, and you don't really want to spend your time doing the tech stuff. Carrot will help you out there because their backend is already set up. Everything will work. So this is our site. It performs fairly well. We should put a video testimonial here. We don't have that yet. We do have one. Oh no, we should have. Well, it used to be there. So Carrot is a good site. The reason that I use Carrot for this is that it does rank better than Kartra. And so I've ranked the site in a number of areas. And so we get a number of leads here just from organic. But I've also run ads, and it didn't perform well when people were running ads. What performed well when we were running ads was this site, our Kartra site. And the reason I think that is just a little bit more appealing. And I also, when you're creating your site, you want to make sure that I'm pointing, you can't see it. I'm pointing to this section right here. they need to be able to submit all of their information right at the front of the screen, right at the very first thing. They need to be able to submit their information, because the more clicks that they have to do, and that's another reason why I like Carrot or Kartra, is that most of these fields will pre-populate based on their cache, and so they don't have to do anything. They just get here, they see their information's already there, they click yes, I want a cash offer, and it goes. Another thing is we crafted a pretty nice letter here. But we put buttons throughout the site in every single section. And so that's another reason why I think it works so well. And also everything is on one page. They don't have to click to different pages. So if you want a really good site, I would suggest using Kartra. Remember to put a little bio about yourself. It would be really good. What we should be doing is putting a video testimonial on the site of ourselves and of people that we worked with, so people can see that we're real, and we're not some huckster out there. So that's our site. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Again, remember, we have our free course. It's not launched yet, but it will be launching soon. It's therealestateinvestingclub.com. Go there, check it out. You can get everything you need. You can get access to this stuff. You can get our tools, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So check it out, go there, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Oh, geez, let's see if I can stop this.